half an hour to discover that the secret of Victoria is in the lace. 1 second to see which one is the one. A whole afternoon to figure out that chiffon and silk don't go together. One summer to learn that it's the person that makes the clothes. A lifetime to ponder why my favorite dress is always the one that's not in the closet.
「花在衣服上的时间都值得挥霍，除了洗濯。洗净即停。Haier Luxury， 一台有时间概念的洗衣机。